Hi everyone, Fariba here from watchknitting.com. Thanks for joining me today. In today's tutorial, I will be presenting my own design of the Modified Half Fisherman Stitch, which is a perfect choice for an infinity scarf. I'll walk you through the infinity scarf I made using this pattern. For this project, I selected super bulky yarn number 6 from Cozy Wools. I used 3 skeins of yarn and size 8 needles, which is one size smaller than the recommended needle size. The pattern consists of a multiple of 3 stitches plus 1 and follows a 2-row repeat. With my chosen yarn and needles, I cast on 34 stitches, which gave me a width of 22 centimeters. After using up all my skeins, my scarf reached a length of 127 centimeters. If you are a beginner looking for a step-by-step tutorial, I stream the full tutorial live. It's available under my live videos, so don't miss it. I'll also add the link in the top right corner so you can click here to watch. So let's start with the stitch pattern. As mentioned before, it follows a 2-row repeat. Row 1 forms the wrong side of the pattern, meaning the texture will emerge on the return rows. Row 1, knit all stitches across the row. I'll pick up my edge stitch and then knit all the stitches across. I'll fast forward row 1 since it's just the basic knit across the row. End of row 1 and I finished with my edge stitch. Row 2, pick up the edge stitch, then purl 2 stitches, now knit 1 below. It means instead of knitting into the stitch on top of the left needle, we're gonna knit into the stitch below. Look for the leg loop beneath the next stitch. Insert the tip of your needle. Grab the yarn and knit it through. Again, repeat purl 2. Knit 1 below. One more time, purl 2. Knit 1 below. That's the repeat for this row, and again you're gonna repeat these 2 rows to get this stylish and defined knit fabric. Once you reach your desired length, you can cast off and seam the edges together to form the infinity scarf. I hope you find this tutorial useful and incorporate it into your future projects. If you give it a try, let me know in your comments. I'd love to see your creations. Thank you for watching and happy knitting. Have a wonderful day.